1 vegetable, 3 Filipino dishes, and 1 chef who has never, not even once, given anyone a perfect score. His name is Nasty Chef. This morning, he walked into my kitchen, looked at my ingredients, and said, "Is this a cooking setup or a therapy session?" Therapy session! So today, we're cooking 3 Filipino eggplant dishes so good that he can't complain. The main ingredient for today is talong or eggplant. It's simple, cheap, and easy to find. But when cooked in Filipino way, it becomes something really special. Our ingredients are 2 eggplants, spring onions, tomato, and red onions. First, we need to cook our eggplant on fire, but for today, we will just do the other way, which is boiling it, so everything will be fast. Alright, let's start. Now, get your boiled eggplant and peel it off. This is only music. Ting 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 ting, or fast forward. Now that it's peeled, flatten it gently with a fork. Then set aside. Chop your onions. This is only music. Ting 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 ting. Then, tomato. And lastly, the spring onions. Now get your eggplant, top it with tomatoes, red onions, and spring onions. Then put the vinegar, a little bit of water, then seasoned with salt and pepper. Our first dish is done, Ensaladang Talong. Then our dish number 2 is Ginisang Talong. For our ingredients, of course, we have eggplant, tomatoes, garlic, and onions. We also have here soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, and pepper. Let's cook. Now, saute the garlic until light golden brown. Music! Ding 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 ding. Then add the onions. Put the tomatoes and cook. Now, add the eggplant. Mix it well and cook until soft. Ting 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 ting, ting 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 ting, ting 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 ting. Add a bit of soy sauce and oyster sauce. Water. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Our ginisang talong. And finally, our last dish, tortang talong. And this is my favorite. We need boiled eggplant and 2 eggs. This is music only. Plot, 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 plot. Plot, 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 plot. The wider it spreads, the more egg it can hold. We will cook this over medium heat. Then flip it. Oh! Tortang Talong, and probably the most famous Filipino eggplant dish. Now everything is ready and our judge as well. Let's welcome the one and only Nasty Chef.
What a great honor it is for me to be here today. You have 25 subscribers. So that's very impressive.
Thank you.
You only have like 511 million more to get to Mr. Beast. Don't worry, you get there someday with your level of talent. I might come back one day when you're actually popular and actually have 1,000 subscribers.
Who are you? A wannabe Gordon Ramsay?
Excuse me. Ouch. Ouch. There's no need to be that nasty. Hurt my feelings. Let's try the dishes, Raina. Because I have about 100 other places I'd like to be.
Okay, so which one would you like to taste
We'll
first?
try the one in the center.
Okay. So here's your fork and knife.
I'm going to rate them out of 10, just so you can understand that I'm a Michelin level judge. What is this one again?
Tortang Talong.
Oh, I love it.
There are only 2 main ingredients, which is
I'm not expecting much, Raina, but we'll see how we go. That's actually a lot better than I expected. It's not too bad. I'll have to give that a 9.2 out of 10. A strong start. Okay, what's second?
This one, ginisang talong.
I think it's a little bit burnt. What happened?
Oh, I think it's not the only me who burnt food. This day.
No one's perfect, but I'm expecting better. The nasty chef doesn't like bad dishes.
Alright, my bad. Next time I
Next,
want
you might. Well, if you continue this, you might be on kitchen nightmares. You trying to kill me? That's a 5 out of 10. Not good enough. Not good enough. I'm expecting better. You better finish strongly.
Okay,
That
chef.
was very disappointing. Disgusted by that. What happened?
I don't know.
Okay, what's the final dish you're going to try to impress me with?
The final dish is called Ensaladang Talong. You might not like it. It's very Filipino taste.
All right. Wow. That's quite juicy. It's got a little bit of a bite to that as well. Very good, very good. You're lucky you brought it home strong. I'm going to have to give that a much stronger mark than the last one. It's a 9.6 out of 10. Very impressive, Raina. Very impressive. I don't know what happened here. I would have thrown that in the bin if I was the chef today. But, no one's perfect. I guess we all have to start somewhere.
Yes, chef.
I expect better next time.
Thanks for being here today.
It's been my pleasure.
Thank you so much. He's never coming back again. Whew. I hope he's never coming back again. I hope he's never coming back again. It's been a challenging day in the kitchen, and the chef is very nasty. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.